Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. I didn't film an intro. I forgot. Excuse how I sound because I am kind of sick, but I'm back to give y'all another one. So you see me just putting the glue on. No, I didn't do a ball cap method because I wasn't trying to give off scalp or none of this. And this wig wouldn't stand on long. But smacking my lip glue on my head per usual, slopping that up. You know, I'm never neat with that. And y'all about to see the outcome of me not see right on my hair. Always something with me in the glue. But anyway, just smacking it on my head and blow drying. That's, the typical. Now, this wig is from AliExpress per usual, showing y'all that it's one of those little fake frontals that don't go all the way across. And I know my lace ashy, so don't come for me per usual. I always got to throw that disclaimer out there. Don't come for me. I know the lace is ashy, y'all. I tint afterwards. Not before. I'm end up making it too dark on my head. Then I'm gonna look crazy. And yeah, no. So yeah. Comb that glue in, comb that lace in. Make sure it's sticking and whatnot. And you wanna just, press it in with your comb. That's it. Just press it in, make them friends, make them marry each other. Make them, together. Togetherness. That's what you need. Togetherness in this situation. Now, about to take these scissors. Y'all see. Take these scissors and cut off all the extra ness that's going on up there. Like, all the extra hairs. Now, I did it like that because this wig is old. I'm going to explain it to y'all later. The wig old. So, yeah. I left all them extra hairs out so I can tweak it when I need it to. And I'm just sitting there and thinking my lace was laid. Remember I told y'all comb it in? Come to find out I got the cut and everything under there was lifted up. Always thinking I know everything. Or always thinking I've been did everything right. I be rushing over y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I don't take my time when I do my hair. I don't know why I'm always in a rush like that, but I don't be feeling like it. Might have feel like doing it. I'm watching TV, so. And again, ignore the back of my hair dryer. I be trying to clean that thing out, but I can't never get all the little fuzz that's out there. And anybody know how? Because I know that stuff look disgusting. But I can't do nothing about it. So, yeah, still touching up my lace and things. Little parts that I missed. Smaller brush per usual. This the same old with me, y'all. Y'all know my process. Basically, like, it's nothing new. Nothing new, just a new looking wig. Well, shit, this damn wig don't look new. Look at this lace, girl. What you talking about? Stop that. You stop that lying to yourself. But yeah, here I am. Now I finally do got, the lace glued down as far as the edges and stuff. So I can go in and, like, tweak the things I need to tweak. Like, pluck some hair out right there and make it look more presentable. I needed to do that. That needed to happen. Or this was going to turn out. Well, you know what? Like I always say, we start off bad, but we get there at the end. It's never a pretty process when I start. I don't know why, but it's just not with me. But, hey, it is what it is. It ain't what it ain't. I can't make it nothing else, y'all. That's it. Shots up. Now, y'all know, per usual, when it comes to these baby hairs, I'm not the best. But the reason why I'm hesitating right now to even curl these baby hairs, because these are one of my cheap wigs. I don't know. The cheap ones I get off of AliExpress for the $150, $125. So, I ain't trying to burn these little hairs right here, baby, because I'm scared they're going to burn away. They're going to shrivel up and die, So, they ain't frying sizzle away off the wig. I just went ahead and got the curling over any kind of way. Y'all know I do not care when it comes to the baby hairs as far as it's going to get done. However it get done, it's going to get there. That's all that be mattering. Yeah. So, I'm going to use some edge control and I'm going to use some mousse. I don't never use mousse, but I have to do it today. I do it on my clients sometimes, but not on myself. So I'm about to try And y'all know I always tint my lace after I put my wig on. I'm just laying this with some baby hair. I mean, with some edge control so we could like lay down at the root part. And it'll help me comb these shits. And I don't never do these front baby hairs typically, but this wig old as hell. And the hairline was beat the shits, to be honest. The hairline was fucking terrible. So I was just like, fuck it. Oh my god. No, baby girl, you ain't one of them. Okay, yeah, I don't fucking know.
You know what? I'm gonna get this motherfucking front baby hair right today because bitches be having front baby hairs all the time and that shit be fucking cute as fuck. And I can't never do a front baby hair on my motherfucking head and it be cute. It's gonna be fucking cute today. Oh, not that. That's not cute. That's not cute. So I'm gonna get this right.
Now, I finally decided to just do something different. So, y'all see me taking some of the hair out and basically I'm gonna trim that up and cut it that way and try to just have the small, like, you know, like the little hair in the front. And keep in mind, I said try, y'all. So don't be coming for me. Try.
Oh God, when I finish this, it's gonna be cute. So you know what? I ain't even about to stress myself right now because I promise when I finish this shit gonna be cute. It ain't cute right now. It ain't cute right now. But when I finish, bitch, I have gonna be cute. Fuck this shit, bitch.
Now I'm finally about to tint this ashy ass lace that's on my head. What I showed y'all was the She's Balm tinting foam in vanilla bean. I usually use 2 pumps of vanilla bean and 1 pump of the sweet caramel. I want to say that's the other one. But yeah, mix those two together. Now, I don't tint my lace perfectly like y'all. It steps with me in that tinting stuff just so I don't, over tint. And do not talk about my dirty head wrap. You're going to get what I give you. I couldn't find the other one. So you're going to get what I give you. But as far as the tinting, I go back in with my bronzer and stuff like after. So, I tint it just enough to where it's not dark, not super light, but my bronzer going to fix the rest. Now we about to style. Now styling is when I tell y'all, this how it always come together for me. Installation be a lit, but styling, that's when I'm going to pull her together. Now, I'm showing y'all how this wig made. When you remember when I said it was a fake frontal when I first started? It's like, you don't got no parting room. You don't have no parting room. And I'm a side part girl. Like, I'm not a middle part gal. Like, that's just not my vibe most of the time. So, with this wig, I can't even do no side part because I got tracks right there. And I'm thinking I'm about to do me a cute top knot bun and things like that. Girl, no, you not. With that little bit of space you got, you ain't got nothing to work with. You're going to have tracks and everything showing at the back talking about doing a top knot. But I'm putting out my little pieces to hang in the front because I was very determined on having that bun on top of my head. I mean, I put it up before I put the wig on my head to see if it would look right. I didn't put the bun in there, but, I don't know. When I put it on my head, baby, no. It just, I don't like little buns or, little Zenny. You better go on. I'm doing something. But you see me, pardon, I hadn't changed my mind about that button because, like I said, it was going to be too little. I hadn't changed my mind about that. And what I decided was I'm just going to braid it, do 2 braids on each side. Well, 1 braid on each side, 2 braids. But, yeah, and that's going to be the look. That was the most simplest thing for me to do with this wig without me just having a regular flat middle part. Like I said, I don't care for just having my hair parted in the middle and hanging down. You got to go with a certain look. I don't know. And that just wasn't the look I was going for that last night. Last night, whatever. So, yeah, just basically doing 2 braids. You could do you some twists. You could do some braids. You could do whatever floats your boat. Whatever make you jump, baby. Do it. And you see that braid is crooked. I don't care. I don't care. Because it's my head. It don't matter if that's the only thing that could be said. Or, maybe you a hater. Talk about my crooked braid. That's a hater. So, doing the same thing on the other side as far as, putting the braid. There is really something, simple hairstyle. Nothing too much. But something that was better than what we started with. That's the whole point. Better than what we started with. Because we always start at the bottom. Over here. Always. Always, always, always. I don't even get that about myself, but we always. Combining them with a rubber band. And this the finished look. I already had flat ironed the wig before I put it on. So, yeah, this is basically it, y'all. I'm going to put on some clothes and I'm coming back. Alright. I am back. My nails are done. Ghetto shit per usual. Unless, I don't know why I always wait until I put on these nails to take off this head wrap. Let's see. I tied it in a bow, so hopefully it's easy. I always wait good until I do that. And then I don't think about it until way after. That knowing I can't do nothing with these nails on, which is why I always make them press-ons. Because, baby, the girls who walk around with the extendos all day, baby, y'all are super villains. Okay, I'm going to use this thing and try to get in between the legs. Oh, got it. I done found the way. Whew. I done found me a way. Okay, now let me get this off here. Now, this probably not about to be the prettiest sights, but it's gonna get very pretty. Ooh, it's actually not bad. I just need to comb out these front situations. That's all hard and alley-ooping right here. Them bitches is like, I need to comb y'all out. And I need to gotta trim that a little bit too, because that's not cute. That's not cute.
Because you're not that cute. And your hair is uneven.
Okay, I know what I have to do with these right here right quick. I'm going to take a little bit of mousse and kind of, try to maneuver them. Let's send a prayer up first. Our lace God who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, baby. Help me out when I try to do this to these baby hairs, please. Our lace gods that done came before me, guide me, sisters and brothers. Guide me to, razzle-dazzle this situation going on right here in front of my head. Especially with these nails on my damn head. Guide me, y'all. Comfort me. In all lace God's name, I pray. Amen, please, y'all. Just to finish the look. And I'm making it worse.
It's not that bad. I just don't like this part right here. Okay. That's not bad. Now all I need to do left is fix these other baby hairs and then go back in and tint my lace with my bronzer like I like to do. Now I know most people just go ahead and use foundation on their lace, especially when they're using like 613 wigs and stuff like that. But I never do. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it one time, and if it turned out like shits, I'm gonna blame y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. When I told y'all that it always works out in the end, I meant that. We ain't finished yet, though. We ain't finished yet. Now, I really feel like this last step is what really brought everything together. Since I didn't pluck that middle part of my hair. It's parted. I don't have a part, though. Because I did not pluck it. I didn't feel like struggling with pulling the damn hair out of there. So, just went in with my concealer. And it gave it more of a natural look, of course, because it gave me the look of having a part versus nothing that was going on up there. This is how it turned out. Told y'all, we get that at the end. We get that at the end. Of course, nails by me, per usual. That's how that go. Okay, y'all. So this is the final look. You know, finesse the AliExpress wig per usual. I will give y'all the details to this wig. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I typically don't give the details to the AliExpress wigs. I'm gonna do like a video to where, you know, I'm doing the links and, you know, what I did to the wigs after. But you know, the wigs don't be outlet, so I'm gonna recommend them if, you know how to do a little razzle dazzle with your hair. Cause baby, even with me, they be a little to work with. But all in all, it turned out good. This is the end look of everything. I think it turned out pretty cute. You know, like I always say, I struggle at the beginning, but we always get there. Always. And not always. That's that. Till next time, I'm going to see y'all.